Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. In this video, I would like to show you how to do new hairstyle. You can also do for children and young adults. It is so beautiful and cute. It is not difficult. It is easy. So firstly, we divide hair into parts in the center. Grab the hair in half, grab it tightly, then we start tying. This tying should be done as close as possible to the middle hair seam. This means that you don't tie it in small places and distance properly. We tie it close to the seam that we split. That way, when we pull the hair out, there's no seam left. It's really pretty, like the first video shows. Now that's one side. We can have 5 rows or 6, depending on what we want, but not too few. If we only tie 3 or 4 layers, it won't look very pretty. Then we tie the other side close to the same seam and we split it evenly like we split it before. It will come out pretty. And if you want to remember a little more, I'll teach you how to part your hair. Parting hair is something we need to know how to do. How do we part our hair neatly and not to show the hair seam? There is a sister who asked me to teach her how to part her hair neatly. So in this video, I will teach you how to part your hair neatly. Now let's tie the first hair. Then we tied the first row with the third row. I used a colored rubber band, this time with a little cute color. Every time I do my hair, I only use a black rubber band. After we tie it together like this, we start to pull the hair. You can see my hands. I use my thumb and index finger. We pull it a little bit like this. You do it like this. We pull it a little bit flat, it comes out nice and cute. And when we get to the third row of hair, we take it and braid it with the hair below to the 5th. Do it alternately like this. And when we tie it like this, we divide our hair into equal parts. And we divide our hair into small sections, and it comes out really neat. Just do it like me. This is ready. This hairstyle can be done in 2 ways. We can put it in front or back, or if we want to make it more elegant, we can tie it together. If you want to put it together, you can do it. It's so pretty. Please help me and rate it. Don't forget to comment or share this video so that when I do a new hairstyle, I'll upload it and you can see it early.